We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. This is a recording.
Car.
Pet.
Carpet.
Carpet.
Dirty carpet.
Today, I'm going to be working on removing the old carpet and installing the new carpet. I have a whole new black carpet for this entire car. Right now, the interior is tan and maroon. It's really gross. There's stains, there's crap all over the place. And I wanted to have a whole new black interior. This is what the interior looks like right now. So we have these dirty, dingy carpets here. You can see in here it's all stained. It's just beat up. This is just a beat up carpet. First things first, we're gonna remove the seats, remove the middle console. I do want to take the dash out at some point. Best part about these old cars, get paid. It's probably part of a crime scene. That's all right. That's why we're getting rid of the carpet. When I bought this car, I did do a quick vacuum of it all. Boy, there is just mouse crap. Probably should have been wearing gloves. Oh, time to wash my hands. This seatbelt has a seatbelt sensor right here. Obviously, they only care about the driver. radio removal tools out or into the radio, and it should just come on out like so. Well, there used to be screws. Okay, I think we got. All right, bud. You gonna help me pull this back? Just pulling it back like this. Pull that up. And I think that's it, or what are we still stuck on? Oh, we still got this piece. Got the middle console out. So when I go to put everything back in, I'm just gonna put in all the black interior parts that I have. While I was disconnecting all this wiring, I was wondering what these quote-unquote aftermarket wires were going to, and it was the fan speed for the fan inside here for the climate control, and it caught fire. So they figured out which wires to plug into and then put a little dial switch, this little thing here, and that's what they installed here and had to nick out a spot so that could fit.